guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be sharing my experience with you guys for the past 3 days. For the past 4 days that I've been to a market. In short, that market is full with a lot of animals. I went to that particular market, although what took me to that market was that I want to go and sell some particular goods. My dear, it's very, very hectic. You wouldn't love to experience going to the market to sell your goods because it's kind of very, very stressful. When I went to the market, the price that people were even saying is it's not even making sense at all. So I lose just lose interest in that goat farming. I just lose everything because the price that they were saying is not good. A goat that I bought around 20,000 naira, people are now pricing it for 10,000 to 8,000 naira. Instead of you making a gain, you're making a loss. So it's not easy if you have your goats and you intend taking them to the market to sell. You will not like the price that people are going to price that particular goat. So for a goat farmer out there, this video is for you guys. If you have your goats in your farm, make sure you patronize with big food restaurants that you know that they normally kill goats or that they usually kill goats every day. Meet them, get acquainted with them. You guys should negotiate. To start negotiating with you guys, then you can bring them to your farm or carry them to your farm. So in that way, it will be very good for you. They are going to market your goods very well. They are going to buy your goods very well from you, rather than you taking your goods to the market. Because if you take your goods to the market, number one, the risk of taking them from the farm to the market is one thing. Second thing is how to sell them. They are going to give you a price that are not even making sense at all. And at the end of the day, you are not going to have choice than to sell that good, because from taking them to the market, you are going to pay a certain amount to that particular car or that particular box that took them from the farm to the market. And as well, people that are in the market that are selling the good, they'll think that, okay, for all the stress I have passed through, I'm not going to take that particular animal to your farm back again. So you didn't have any choice than to sell it at the rates that they are pricing it. So those things are very, very, very not certain. They are very, very stressful. So if you want to avoid stress in your goat farm, if you want to avoid stress in general livestock, that is just how it is. Make sure you get acquainted, make sure you get connections, make sure you meet people that you think that yes, they normally kill goats. Like meet the baby restaurants in Lagos, in Abuja, a lot of places that you know that yes, they can come and buy your goats in bulk and not selling them one. They can come and buy your goats in bulk. You can show them pictures, advertise your goats, advertise your farm. Not only goat farming, but the reason why I decided to base on goat farming was that for the past 4 days I've been to goat market and it was hectic. It was kind of very bad because it's not an easy something. I sat there for an hour from morning till evening just because I want to market a particular goat that someone sent me to do that for him. So it's not very easy. It's not kind of easy. So the only way that you are going to market your goat and you make more profit in that area is having a particular customers or getting customers around so that they can come and buy your goat in bulk from your farm, rather than you taking your goat to the market to go and market it yourself. It's not going to make any sense because you are not going to make any profit on it. So have your goats in your farm. Just have the connections, meet all those baby restaurants, ask them, show them pictures, advertise your goods, and at the end of the day, they will come to your farm and they will buy your goods in bulk. With that way, you are going to make a certain amount of money. Like I said, goat farming is lucrative, it's profitable, it's good if you can invest your money into it. But rather than, before you invest your money into it, you need to know some things. There are things that you need to put into consideration if you want your goat farming to stand well. There are a lot of people that have went into or they have jumped into this farm. At the end of the day, they couldn't manage the farm. They need to run back. They want to run out from the business. So if you want to be very sure, or if you want to stand long in goat farming, make sure you put some things into consideration. Like when the time that you're going to buy the goats, the breed of goats that you buy, their feeding, and how you take care of them, how you manage the farm matters a lot. With all these 4 points, if you can't do them correctly, at the end of the day, you will discover that you went into the farm and you were not able to manage the farm and you're going to run out. Because it's not something that you just start one day and you expect to start making money from it. It's not as easy as that. So as times goes on, you start making money from goat farming, and it's a very profitable something. It's a long-term business, not a short-term business. If you want to be making money from goat farming, then you must plan that this particular farm I'm going into is a long-time stuff and not a short-time stuff. So as the times goes on, they'll start producing and they'll start multiplying. So by then you can start selling your goats. And one more business that is very profitable when I went to the market is cattle business. Cattle. That cattle business is very lucrative, and it's not a small boy something. It's someone that has the capital that can go into cattle rearing. It's a very lucrative business. Any year, anytime, any month, you can sell your cattle. There is market for cattle everywhere. And you know, cattle they are very big. You can't take them from the farm to the market. You rather sell them in the market for them to come to your farm to buy the cattle. So it's one of the lucrative business that you ever want to invest your money into. It's cattle rearing, and you know they are kind of cheap in terms of keeping them. You didn't need a lot of spending money in their construction, in their house, or where they should stay. You just need to make a very short stuff as a shield for them to be staying there, and all you just need to do is to start giving them feed. You know, you can't just leave them for them to roam about. They are going to destroy things. They are going to eat people's farm, and at the end of the day, to bring disasters to you. So for stopping that, you need to just get a small place for them, and they'll be doing great. So cattle business is also one of the lucrative business. In one of my videos, I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to drop that topic and I'll explain full details about how you can invest your money into cattle business and how you can make your money to cattle business. It's a very lucrative stuff. When I went to the market to go and market that particular goat, I saw a lot of cattle. There's this one particular cattle that I even saw there. When I priced it, they told me about 700,000. I was like, just because of a normal cattle. They told, but that cattle is very big. If you see the picture, you're going to love it. So starting off all those livestock farming, they are very lucrative if you can invest your money into it, and during their marketing period is just the only issue. For cattle it's very easy, but for goats it's not that easy. That is the honest truth. If anybody hasn't tell you guys if you want to market your goat, it's not it's a very simple something. That person is just lying to you. It's not that simple. The only way to market your goat, and it's very simple, is having customers. Go and patronize your business people. Have a lot of customers. You can have them at internet. You can post your goat, post a lot in the internet, and before that, people would have recognized you and would have known the type of business that you are doing. At the end of the day, to sell your goat will be very easy. So when I went to that market, it hasn't been easy for me. So that was the reason why I couldn't post videos the other day. So, and before I started my videos, you can see all those videos. You can see all those goats. So that is a market. You can see a lot of goats are there. We are marketing a lot of goats, and at the end of the day, we finally sold the goods. Although we didn't meet up with our actual amounts that we put there, but at least we were able to catch up a little bit. So please, if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please always drop your comments and let me know how you feel. Please keep on dropping your comments. Please drop your comments, and if you want to market your goat, you let me know. If you want to start up a goat farming, reach out to me. If you want to start up a fish farming, reach out to me. Pig, livestock, generally, we are here for you guys. We are here to guide you guys, and we want to see you guys excel in that particular area that you're into. So please, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. Turn the notification bell to be notified when I drop in new videos like this for you. Like this video and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.